Hi everyone, you're welcome. Hello. Configurations.
This box, our unique key for our specific live stream. So we'll go over to our YouTube channel, grab the key. We'll come down here to stream key here. We'll hit copy and we'll go back over to OBS and paste our stream key into that box there. Next, we're going to come across to output. Now, this is where we get to specify our output settings for our live streams, but also for our recording as well. So for configuring up our live stream, we need to specify a video bitrate. The default here, 2,500 kilobits per second, would be okay for a 720p stream. But with this number, 2,500 kilobits per second, the higher we go with it, if we went to 3,000, 3,500, or 5,000, the higher we go with it, the higher the quality of the stream we're going to push through to YouTube or whichever platform we're broadcasting to. But it also means that our internet speed, our upload speed, needs to be capable of consistently pushing that amount of data through to our broadcasting platform. Now, I'll link this page down in the resources below, but this is where YouTube suggests which bit rates you should be looking at for the different resolutions. So this page tells us if we want to broadcast live to YouTube at 720p, the video bitrate range should be between 1,500 and 4,000 kilobits per second. If we're doing a 1080p stream, that needs to be 3,000 to 6,000 kilobits per second. Now we can go above, but you really don't want to be going below these numbers for a decent looking, reliable stream. So in this case here, we're going to be doing a 1080p live stream through to YouTube. So I'm going to set this to 5,000 kilobits per second because I know my internet speed is good enough. So that's the video quality. We can also make changes to the audio quality here as well. Now I would recommend that you're not going less than 128. The default here was 160. That's going to give you pretty good results. 192 right up to 320 will give you higher quality audio. So if you're going to be broadcasting live with music and those sorts of things, you want to have the highest quality through, then you're going to want to pick a higher quality bitrate for your audio as well. Personally, I think anything from 160 to 256 is going to give you great results. But if you're only just speaking in your live stream, then you'll be able to get away with 160. So those are your live Streaming settings. If you do want to also be recording or you just want to use OBS for recording, then that's where your settings. Down here, you can key all of those in. The main ones being your recording format. You can see the default here is MKV. You might want to switch it to an MP4 or an MOV file. And you also want to adjust your recording quality. So in a lot of cases, you want to actually record a higher quality video than the one that you're streaming out. So higher than 5,000 kilobits per second in this case. So we can choose a high quality medium file size or one of the other options in here as well. So this next area here, audio, is where
Tolong tidak nak. Salah, they wake up early morning like this as well.
Obviously, if we get to dive into some audio settings, now there's really only a couple in here that you need to look at. The rest are going to be fine by default. The first one is your channels. By default, you want to have this in stereo unless you specifically need to be broadcasting mono or surround sound 2.1, 5.1 surround sound. So for most people, you're going to want to leave this at stereo for most live streams or most recorded videos. But the one that you really want to check in here is your primary audio source, which is your mic auxiliary audio, not audio 2, 3, or 4, to the first one here. And you want to change this from default to your actual microphone that you've got connected to your computer or to your camera, which is connected. case, I'm going to set it to the CamLink 4K because the microphone I'm using is going to be directly connected to my CamLink, which is connected to my Panasonic GH4. So for audio, I want it coming through the CamLink. Now, even if the default setting here of default is using your correct microphone because of your system settings, I would still strongly recommend that you're manually setting this to your actual microphone just so that you don't have any issues down the track. For this next one down here, video, this is where we get to specify all of our video-related settings for the quality, for the frame rate of the live stream that we're going to be creating, both here in OBS and also to whatever we're going to be pushing out to YouTube in this case, or even to be recorded. The two of them don't actually need to be the same. So you could actually be working from a higher resolution project in OBS, but broadcasting out to YouTube or recording a video file in a lower scaled resolution. And that's what we get to specify in here. So the default here is that our base canvas resolution, our OBS resolution, is at 1920 by 1080, which is 1080p. But the default is saying that we're going to be broadcasting, our output is 720p, 1280 by 720. So I'm going to hit this little drop down arrow and I'm going to switch this to 1920 by 1080. Now you do we have the ability in here to pick other resolutions. We can actually just type in a custom resolution as well. So you see that there's nothing that goes above 1920 by 1080. But if you want to broadcast in 4K, then you can actually type in the resolution numbers for 4K and you would be good to go. So we're going to go 1920 by 1080 and we're going to leave our frame rate here at 30 frames per second. This next one down, hotkeys, is where we can set up shortcut keys to be able to control OBS. So we can create our own keyboard shortcuts to do things like start or stop streaming, start or stop recording, or a heap of the other functions that you've got inside of OBS as well. So this is something that's not necessary, but it can really streamline the way that you're able to control and configure everything up and run your live stream while you're actually live. And down here under advanced, you guessed it, there's a lot more advanced things here. I would say the one that I do check here and make sure is selected is to automatically reconnect. So if for whatever reason your internet drops out, that it is actually going to automatically attempt to reconnect and to restart your stream with this setting enabled. So we're going to go ahead now and select OK. And now we're going to go ahead and set up our scenes for our live streams. So we've already got one default scene that's added down the bottom here because there always has to be at least one that's created. We're going to rename this one, right click on it and choose rename. Let's call this main camera. Now for this main camera, we're now going to specify which sources we want to have used, which cameras we want to have used in this scene of main camera. So
Natashi. Natashi.